When you start a motor, it runs obviously. But have you ever noticed the inrush current? It's massive, up to the 6 times the motor's full load current when using the direct online starter. This huge surge may cause overheating, damage windings, and even trip circuit breakers. To reduce that inrush current to just 2 times the full load current, today we will learn star delta starter. We will understand the power diagram of a star delta starter. Here, the list of components required: power fuses, main contactor, delta contactor, star contactor, overload relay, and finally motor. In a switchgear, three-phase 3-wire bus bar arrangements will be like this. We will extend the bus connection to power fuses incoming terminals, and from outgoing terminals of the power fuses, we will extend the connectivity to main contactor. Here, overload relay is connected in series with the main contactor. We will connect from overload relay to motor terminal box like this. Next, we will pair up cables from motor terminal box to star contactor. To form star point, we will short all three bases like this. Now for delta contactor, we will connect cables as shown. This complete circuit is power diagram of star delta. Here, I have attached an real world footage of star delta starter module. It contains power fuses, main contactor, delta contactor, star contactor, overload relay, and terminal. If we remove delta and star contactor from this diagram and add strips to the motor terminal block, then it will become direct online starter. Now tell me, which starter you prefer to start the motor? Give a comment. If you want to learn about dual starter, I have provided a link in the description box. Now we will learn about control diagram. Observe here, it contains 110 volt AC source and will list out the contacts required to form star delta control circuit. Overload relay LC contact, stop push button LC contact, stop push button NO contact, main contactor coil, main contactor NO block, timer relay, delta contactor NC block, timer NC block, star contactor coil, star NC block, timer NO block, and finally delta contactor coil. First, we'll extend neutral line directly to the main contactor coil, timer relay, star contactor coil, and delta contactor coil. Next, we'll extend phase supply to overload relay NC contact. From overload relay NC contact, we'll connect supply to stop push button. From stop push button, we'll send supply to start push button, and pressing the start push button, supply will be extended to main contactor coil. Now, to latch the main contactor coil, we'll connect main contactor NO block in parallel to the start push button, and we'll tap the supply from main contact NO block up to the timer relay. Also, we'll extend the same supply to the star contactor coil through delta NC contact and timer NC contact. Similarly, same supply shall be extended to delta contactor coil through star NC contact and timer NO contact. This is called control circuit of the star delta starter. Have you worked on star delta starter and dual starter? Comment if you have faced any issues in these starters. We will try to solve, and it helps to learn problem solving methods. Now we will do circuit test of this starter. As the overload relay and stop push button has not activated, hence supply has activated from those contacts up to the start push button and main contactor NO block. Now we will press start push button. After pressing the start push button, supply will reach to main contactor coil, resulting in the main contactor energized. Once the main contactor gets turned on, supply will pass to terminal box of the motor through overload relay. From there, it will reach to incoming terminals of the star and delta contactor. As the main contactor is on, its NO contact status will change to NC contact. Now, after release of start push button also, main contactor is continuously energized. Next, supply will be continuously fed to the timer relay from main contactor NO block. This ensures timer relay should get turned on only after main contactor is on. Parallelly, at the same time, supply will reach to star contactor coil through delta NC contact and timer NC contact. This safety interlock ensures to turn on star contactor only when delta contactor is in off condition and timer relay is in NC contact. Now the timer relay has been activated. Also, the star power contactor has turned on and motor starts running. Note here, supply will not reach to delta contactor coil as we have taken star contactor NC contact, which is normally open now because star contactor is in on condition. And also in series, we have also used timer normally open contact. Timer has started counting the preset time of 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, timer will change from normally open to normally closed contact and normally closed contact to normally open contact. Now the star contactor has been turned off because timer contact has been changed from NC contact to NO contact. As the star contactor is turned off, timer contact has changed from NO to NC contact. Supply will reach to delta contactor coil through both of these contacts. Now the delta contactor is on and motor is running continuously. Observe here, we have given NC contact of star and delta contactor in series with the timer contacts as an interlock for safety purpose. This is very important in star delta starter control circuit. I will try to explain star delta contactor concept with example. Imagine you have a bike. When you start a bike, main contactor pick up and then put first gear to move bike slowly, star contactor pick up. After pickup of speed, you shift it to the next gear to give full speed. Then it is a delta contactor pickup. Now we will press stop push button and supply will be cut off to all the components, resulting to stop the motor. Hope you have learned something from this video. I request you to suggest next topics which we can cover in the near future in this channel. I will conduct small quiz with 4 questions about star delta starter. It will help you to understand the concept. Question number 1. What is the main purpose of star delta starter? Answer A, to increase motor speed. Answer B, to reduce motor starting current. Answer C, to improve motor efficiency. And answer D, to change motor direction. Question number 2. In a star delta starter, when should motor switch from star to delta connection? Option A, when the motor reaches full speed. Option B, when the voltage is low. Option C, after a fixed time break. Option D, when the motor temperature rises. Question number 3. What type of motors commonly use a star delta starter? Option A, DC motors. Option B, single phase motors. Option C, three phase induction motor. And option D, stepper motor. Question number 4. What is the main disadvantage of star delta starter? Option A, high initial cost. Option B, high starting current. Option C, reduced starting torque. And option D, complex wire.